In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a blog post to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to publish a blog post. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Pages tab and select your blog page. This will open your blog and display your existing posts. Click New Post to create a new blog post. Enter a title for your post. Then add your content using text, images, and any other elements you want to include. Format your post, arrange your content, and review everything to make sure it looks the way you want. You can also add categories, tags, or other available blog settings if needed. When you're happy with your blog post, click Post to publish it. Preview your website to confirm that the post appears correctly on your blog. That's how to add a blog post to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.